Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to log into your DaVita Workday account. First of all, open up any browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar, type in DaVita Workday and then click on enter. After that, find this link which is of myworkdayjobs.com. Click on this link. After that, you will be redirected to another tab which is of DaVita Workday. Now, at the top right corner, you can see an sign in option. Click on it. Now type in your email address and password here. After typing the email address and password, click on sign in button to log into your DaVita Workday account. You can also click on this link to create a new account on DaVita Workday. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instruction to get a new password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.